Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Fiery Empress, your space for all things manifestation and personal growth. Today, we're diving into a profound technique that involves putting pen to paper, the letter to the universe manifestation method. If you're ready to communicate your deepest desires to the cosmos, stick around. Understanding the letter to the universe. Method. So, what exactly is the letter to the universe and how can it amplify your manifestation journey? This method involves writing a heartfelt letter to the universe, expressing your dreams, desires, and intentions. It's a powerful way to articulate and release your energy into the cosmic flow. Let's explore the magic behind this transformative practice. Think of your letter as a conversation with the universe, a way to clearly communicate what you want to manifest in your life. The act of writing itself is a form of manifestation, bringing your thoughts into tangible form. Preparing for your letter. Before we dive into the writing process, let's talk about preparing for your letter. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be interrupted. Light a candle, play some soothing music, create an atmosphere that feels sacred and conducive to reflection. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. The key is to approach this with an open heart and a clear mind. Now, let's get started. Crafting your letter. As you begin writing, pour your emotions onto the paper. Be honest, specific, and heartfelt. Address the universe as if it's a trusted friend, sharing your deepest desires and aspirations. Let's discuss how to craft a letter that resonates with authenticity. Feel free to include details about the emotions you'll experience once your desires manifest. Visualization is a powerful aspect of this process. Envision the life you're calling into existence as you write, releasing your energy. Once your letter is complete, read it aloud. This is a moment of releasing your energy into the universe. Feel the words as you speak them. You're not just writing, you're invoking the energy of your desires. Let's discuss the significance of this release. You're essentially co-creating with the universe. By articulating your desires and releasing them with intention, you're setting a powerful, energetic force in motion. Folding and keeping the letter. After reading your letter, consider folding it in a meaningful way. This act symbolizes that you've released your intentions to the universe. Some people choose to keep the letter in a sacred space, while others may bury it or place it under a special object. Let's explore these rituals and their significance. The key is to choose a method that feels right for you. It's about infusing the process with personal meaning and reverence, reflection and patience. As you go about your days, reflect on the intentions you've shared in your letter. Trust the process and be patient. Manifestation is a dance with divine timing. Let's talk about maintaining faith and positivity as your desires unfold. Congratulations! You've just explored the letter to the universe manifestation method. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more manifestation techniques and personal development insights. Remember, your words have power, and the universe is listening. Until next time, keep manifesting with love and intention.